Hi there. Today I'm going to just quickly show you how I create an assignment checklist inside of Google Sheets. So I've already created a template with something called code, which I've taken out at times, assignment, due date, done, and date completed. And all I do is I look at my syllabus, which I am doing from time to time in this video, and I just plug in the assignments that need to get done. So in this case, I need to find 15 articles, so I'm adding that in, copying, bringing it down, and they all need to be done by a certain date. But finding the articles isn't an exact assignment, so it's a sub-assignment, and I'm creating my own little due date here as well. So I'm just easily adding cells, adding rows. I've inserted checkboxes into the done column, and I will click done. I shaded a different color, and then I have conditional formatting for the date completed. When I plug in a date, it will show up green and show me the date that I completed it. I then can also highlight the checkbox based on if I did the assignment on time, late, or really early. I'm able to do this for every class, and to me it helps keep me on track with the various readings that I need to do and other sub-assignments. You can easily do something like this inside of a program like Notion or Notability or other things. I just use Google Sheets because it's a little bit easier for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.